The Water Services Corporation, addressing Malta's water needs. The Water Services Corporation is a state-owned corporation set up by a law for that purpose in 1993. The corporation took over a long history of water production and distribution that goes back hundreds of years. In 2003, the WSC took over the former Drainage Department. Headquartered in Luqa, Malta, and employing around 1,500, the corporation is responsible for the production and distribution of potable tap water and the collection and treatment of wastewater in the Maltese Islands. The WSC produces around 31 million cubic metres of potable water every year. Approximately 17 million cubic metres are produced at the 3 reverse osmosis plants of Pembroke, Chikawa and Arlapsi. These draw up seawater and, after pH treatment and pre-filtration, convert it into clean and bacteria-free water by means of reverse osmosis at very high pressure. With over 25 years of continuous operations, the corporation's engineers and technicians are amongst the most highly experienced in the industry. The WSC also designs, builds and markets a range of medium-sized reverse osmosis units for sale to large hotels, industries and other clients. Just over 13 million cubic metres per year are produced from underground sources, the main source being the underground galleries at Takandia. These galleries are 97 metres below ground level and radiate outwards like the spokes of a wheel for thousands of metres. There are also 12 other pumping stations and 134 boreholes from where water is extracted. Water from the reverse osmosis plants is blended with groundwater and stored in the 24 reservoirs in Malta, Gozo and Camino. The total capacity of these reservoirs is 400,000 cubic metres. All the production, transfer and storage of water is controlled and monitored in real time by remote sensing from the control room based at Luqa. Reservoir levels, flow rates and pressures are kept at optimal operating parameters at all times. Water is then distributed to 142,000 service connections, serving more than 400,000 people along a network of over 2,100 kilometres of pipes throughout Malta and Gozo. The corporation is also highly experienced in network leakage detection and water loss reduction. Over the past few years, the WSC has become an internationally recognised authority in leakage reduction practices and technology. The quality and safety of the water we produce is constantly checked by the laboratory, which is fully accredited by both the National Accreditation Body of the Malta Standards Authority and the United Kingdom Accreditation Services. Every year, over 5,100 samples are collected, upon which approximately 54,500 physical, chemical and bacteriological tests are carried out. All operations are supported by the Technical Services section, which carries out regular testing and maintenance on electric motors and pumps. Motor rewinding is done in-house and pumps are dynamically tested on a specially designed submersible facility that replicates real-life operating conditions. The section also maintains and repairs corporate property and vehicles. Our many thousands of consumers, ranging from domestic households, businesses, hotels, industry, farms and others, are supported by a customer care centre in Valletta, Luqa and Gozo, where consumers can access all the services on offer as well as pay their bills. The section handles around 170,000 contact reports per year. Every year, the customer care section receives thousands of requests for the provision of new services, replacements and removals. To cater for its own training needs, the corporation's Institute of Water Technology offers courses and conference facilities for both its own employees as well as to third parties. The corporation is committed to serving Malta's current and future needs in water production and distribution. Water Services Corporation, the integrated water resource management for the Maltese Islands.